Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are outside of Meijer today, and Meijer has some good deals going on in store. As you can see, it's really foggy where I live, so if you are in the affected area of the Canadian wildfires, please be careful. It is really gross outside. Take your allergy meds, stay inside, do whatever you need to do. Just make sure you're doing well. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Right now, select Dove, Tresemme, or Degree, or buy two, get one free. So one of the options is like these Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash. These are the 26 ounces. They're $11.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. And then we have a $3 on Ibotta, so this could be one of your options. Another option is to grab the Dove whole body deodorant. You can grab the men's or the women's. They're both $12.59. We do have a $5 digital coupon. And then for the last item, we don't really have that many other good high value coupons for higher end product or like higher price product. So I would suggest grabbing your free item at something close to $10, because if you grab something cheap like $6, you're not really saving that much. And also, guys, just a friendly reminder, there is no digital coupon that will come off the free item. That's just kind of how Meijer works. If you prefer to grab some Tresemme products, we do have Shopkick offers. There's two different ones. I think one's for more like that stuff, and one's for shampoo conditioner, if I remember correctly. If y'all can find this Oral-B refill pack, it is $3.99. I've been watching it every week. I've been scanning it every week. Last week it did scan at, I think it was $19.99, and usually they drop to 75% off before like dropping this low. So I was gonna grab them at 75% off, and they just never went there. They just like, we're gonna go this cheap, and then they had like 5 of them last week. Now they don't have any. I don't have a picture of the package, but if your store has any, or has any around here, I would definitely scan them. Another super hot clearance find is this enamel guard. It's on clearance for 58 cents, and my store has like stacks of it. Alright, these are definitely not a need, but look how cute these like little MagSafe, I don't know what you call them, just a little accessory. They are 90% off, so they're $1.50. I feel like these are like, I don't know, high schooler kind of looking stuff. But I think they're kind of cute, like especially the little unicorn down here, the cupcake. So the best deal on pet food this week is spend $65 worth, get $15 off instantly, and it's on Purina or Zooks. So it's on cat and dog food. So this is by far one of my favorite deals of the week. I got a just for you free offer for a small bag of Temptations. My oldest cat loves these, and I try to stock up whenever I can. So I'm excited to grab this deal. So since it's the beginning of a new month, we did get a new spend 50, get $15 off a PG digital store and perk. And that lasts all month long, and it expires on 9/2. So we did get a ton of digital coupons that works with that. Or you can hold on to it and put a deal together another week. I know a really good deal, part of a deal is on the Dawn Power Wash. We've been getting a lot of great deals on this lately. We have a $2 perk, making it $2.99, and it works with that PG deal. Some okay clearance finds on laundry is the Downy Soft Free and Gentle. It's on clearance for $3.84. Or we have the Downy Ultra Calm. It's on clearance for $5.24. I don't see any digital coupons that would attach to these, but you can use that PG Spend 50 deal and grab savings that way. So a really good deal this week is on Airwick. You're going to look for the starter kit. It is the fresh linen. So it comes with one of these, like the oil kits, and then one of the plugs. It is $3.99. It attaches to a $3 digital perk, making it 99 cents. Now you can grab the 2-pack of the wall plugs. They are $3.99 as well. Use that digital coupon, making them 99 cents as well. I just feel like getting one of the refills was a way better deal. Another really good deal is on the Febreze um, small spaces. You can grab the twin packs or the single packs. The single packs are $3.29. We have a $2 digital M perk, making them $1.29. Or as you can see, like the tag, the twin packs are $5.49 on sale. Use that $2 M perk, making them $3.49. My store has tons of clearance all around the home section. So, like, as you can see, these towels, there's quite a few over there. There's some throw pillows, blankets on the other side. There's an employee organizing them. There's some bath stuff. There's stuff everywhere in every aisle. So this might be the time to look around and see if you can refresh your home. And I'm even talking area rugs. Most of them are only 25% off right now because they just got to clearance, or the smaller rugs. But like, if you need a new rug, now's the time to be looking because these are expensive because they're usually over $100. And I wanted to replace one, but it's not worth my time because it just gets so dirty. And I know it's going to get stained right away. So we have a really good deal on the Progresso Pitmaster soup. Still, they're on sale for $8. So you'll grab whatever four you like. Then you're going to take your receipt and submit it to Why Bother, where we have 50 cents back on each can. And then on Fetch Rewards, we have 1,000 points per every 2 cans. So we'll get $2 from Fetch, making whatever four you grab just $1 per can. So these everything bagel Pringles on clearance for 87 cents. I feel like that's a good deal if you like this flavoring. Chex Mix and Bugles are buy one get one free. There's no I bother rebate, but sometimes we do get ones for Chex Mix, so check back later in the week. So unfortunately, my store is already sold out of this deal, but it's on the ZOA energy drinks. So they are 3 for $5. We have $1 off digital perk, so you pay $4. And then on Fetch Rewards, we have an offer for 500 Fetch when buying 3, making them $3.50 for all 3. Or we have a different Fetch offer for the Celsius. They are also that same promotion, 3 for $5. I think it's like $1.30 on Fetch or something. I'll have it up on the screen. So right now, a lot of frozen, like novelties, I guess is what they're calling them, are buy 3 get 1 free. You can mix and match, but the cutest thing is the Purina Frosty Paws are part of that deal. Totally forgot they moved them up here. They used to keep them in the back. But there's 2 different deals you can do for this. You're gonna look for the bomb pops. You're gonna look for the ones that are the 24 count. They are $5.08. Oh, these ones, $5.89. So like that style. So you're gonna grab a total of 4 of them, but you're gonna only pay for 3. Remember, the 4th one is free. So your total will be $17.67. On Shopkick, we have 575 kicks on each box, which is $2.30. So we'll get a total of $9.20 back, making them all 4 of them $8.47. Or if you prefer, you can grab the Trolley Pops. These are the 10 counts. They're $5.49. You'll grab a total of 4 and only pay for 3. Your total will be $16.47. You'll submit to Shopkick for 200 kicks on each box, so which will be 80 cents. So we'll get a total of $3.20 from Shopkick. And then you'll submit to iBother for $1 back on each box. So we'll get $4 from iBother, making all 4 boxes $9.27. So it just depends. Doing this deal is slightly a little more expensive because you get a lot more in there, but it just depends on what you like and what you want to grab. If your store has these Salute to Serve or the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookies, they're on clearance for $1.67. You'll grab 2 of them for $3.34. We have $1 off of 2 digital on perk, making them $2.34. Otherwise, we have plenty of Pillsbury options that are 2 for $5. That digital M perk for $1 off of 2 does work on almost all of these, so you can mix and match, or you can grab something like these. These are on clearance as well. So the breadsticks, the Meijer brand 4-pack of muffins are buy one get one 50% off. If you like these are definitely a good deal, and they refrigerate well, so they'll last longer. So a decent deal on chicken is the Meijer brand smaller pack chicken. You can grab like the thighs or the tenderloins, grab whatever you need there. Buy one, get one 50% off. So you can stock up on some chicken this week. A really good deal that I'm probably going to have to come back later for is strawberries. The 1 pound packages are 3 for $5, which I feel like is a really good deal. All right, we're back in from checkout at Meijer. Now, Meijer is a really slow week this week, and I'm sure that's because we had a super hot week last week. But, yeah, Meijer was so hot that they were taking away two different, well, they took away one offer, and then they changed another, like the Pure Silk digital coupon. I heard that disappeared on like Wednesday or Thursday, and then they changed the coupon for the Chobani to not attach to the 7 for 7 offer, which I thought was strange because you had to buy 10 of them anyway. So regardless, anyway, yeah, I only grabbed the Celsius and the cat treats. Now I wanted to grab the ZOA instead. My store said they had plenty of stock of, they carry the blue and the purple can only. They said they had stock of both. Shelf was empty, so they just haven't restocked it. Will I come back later this week? No, it's not the end of the world to me, so it is what it is. So my receipt goes as follows. The 2 Celsius, you can see they rang in at a discounted price, and then the cat treats ring in as completely free, which is super nice. So, and then I've submitted to Fetch, so makes my grand total what, for $3.30? No, $3.70 for the energy drinks and the cat treats. Super small, but like, y'all seen my cart last week, like it was packed. So am I mad? Absolutely not. Savings comes when savings comes, so it's kind of why you stock up when you can. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.